When students think about publishing research, one big question always comes up. Which is easier to publish, lab-based research or review-based research? The answer depends on one thing: what kind of researcher you are. Lab-based research is all about experiments, data collection, and original findings. Whether it's engineering, biotechnology, medicine, or chemistry, this type of paper requires hands-on work, testing, observations, and results. Journals often value lab-based studies highly because they contribute new data to science. But the challenge is time, equipment, funding, and accuracy. One failed experiment can delay weeks of work. On the other hand, review-based research doesn't need a laboratory. Instead, you analyze and compare already published studies to identify trends, gaps, or future directions. It's more about critical thinking than experimentation. For beginners, review papers can feel easier because they need fewer resources and can often be done from home using research databases and journal articles. But here's the twist: review papers are not easy shortcuts. Since you're not presenting new experiments, your analysis must be extremely insightful and well structured. Journals expect depth, clarity, and strong understanding of the topic. A weak review paper gets rejected very quickly. So, which one is easier to publish? For beginners with limited lab access, review-based research is usually more practical. But for long-term academic value and stronger research profiles, lab-based papers often carry more impact. In the end, publication doesn't depend only on the type of research. It depends on originality, structure, and how clearly you communicate your ideas. Because whether it's experiments in a lab or analysis behind a laptop, good research always solves a meaningful problem.